How much money do you need for the down payment of a home? That's kind of like asking the question, what is the perfect length of a mustache? It varies person to person. As well, it could vary based on your credit score, what you do for work, where you live. Are you in a city? Are you rural? Are you a veteran? Are you a first-time homebuyer? Do you have great credit? What do you do for work? There are so many different variables that go into what is required for a down payment. Now, if you're looking in rural areas, there's rural loans, which would be USDA. They have a zero down option. FHA, which is a federal program for low down payment, requires 3.5. However, they will let you piggyback with a grant program where you can get into an FHA loan with zero down. You've got VA loans. Those are for our veterans. VA loans, zero down. Conventional, for the most part, it's 5%. However, you can get as little as 3%, and there are even some grant programs there where you can get in with 1% down. As you move over into what they would kind of call the non-conventional or the non-QM, there's bank statement programs. There are a whole bunch of different things. And typically speaking, the more risky you are or the property you're buying, the more money you're going to need down. The moral of the story here, though, is that lending is super simple. Risk equals rate. The more risky you are, the property that you're buying, the more money that would be required to put down, or the higher the rates you're going to pay on that. But there are a multitude of different ways to get into a new home, some with very little down, some with a lot down. What you need to do is reach out to your lender, reach out to us, and we can walk you through, based on your exact situation, your exact scenario, how much is the minimum that would be required for you to purchase a home based on your individual scenario. So this is all nuanced. There is no black and white, red and blue. There's none of that. There's just you and what it means for you to purchase a home. And the correct length of a mustache is long enough to twist.